So I found a secret like thing you can do in this game. Don't know what game it's called, but there's a secret thing. If you go over here, there's a waterfall. Then you can go through the waterfall and find the secret jacuzzi. And also, if you think that's cool enough, you might want to see there's a secret way to get over here. See, look. It's secret passages, and also it says Airwar Sands. Says Airwar Sands 1 level 200 like 1. Okay. So, and also there's a way to scale the wall. If you go, you get speed, and then so let me try it again. Didn't work. So if you get speed, you can scale the wall and then get up to like this little ledge. And then maybe if you hop on the tree, you can probably get over there. Okay, I stand corrected.